Every quiet night, as I sit here, studying in front of my laptop, I carry a weight that no one can see. This is not just about grades, it's all about the pressure, the expectations of my parents. I know they only want the best for me, but sometimes those expectations become too heavy and my feelings are forgotten. Not every low grade means laziness. Sometimes I'm just tired, sometimes I'm struggling, and sometimes the pressure is just too much. As children, we do our best, but I hope you can also see our effort, not just the results.
Because real support is not measured by grades alone. When pressure becomes too much, it doesn't motivate us. It breaks us.